Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how to create a Salesforce Developer Account. Make sure to watch the video until the end and follow these steps. First, navigate to Salesforce by clicking on link in description. Here, you'll find the Salesforce Developer Portal. To get started, you'll need to create an account. You can either sign up or click on Browse Trials. Let's click on Browse Trials and see how to create our account. Now, click on Sign Up for the Salesforce Developer Edition. This will redirect you to the sign-up form. Here, add your information, click on Sign Me Up, and you'll be able to create an account. Once you've clicked on Sign Me Up and added all your information, you'll receive an email for verification. You'll then be able to reset your password and start using your developer environment. This environment will be a Lightning Experience environment, where you can start creating your Apex classes, triggers, and other developer tools. That's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.